Hey y'all, I got a package from CherryKitten and I'm so excited to show you these shirts. So let's just go for it. I got 3 shirts from their site and they let me pick them out, and it literally took me an hour to decide between all of the shirts because they were all so good. Okay. I'll hold it together, so let me unopen them very slowly. Okay, first one says brunette bombshell, and it's a little crop top. My hair's a little crazy color right now, but I do plan at some point going back, so it works out. Next is another little black crop top, and it says cherry bomb. So cute. And then I have this shirt, which I think is so cute. It's so me, introvert. And I got these all in a bigger size because I want them to be very big on me, because that's how I like to wear things. And then finally, this safety pin through hearts. It's so cute. I shockingly actually went colorful for a shirt, considering all I ever wear is black. But yeah, let's do a little try on. Okay, here is the first shirt. I have a dress on currently, so you could definitely see the skirt underneath it. Look how cute this is. They are such high quality. Like, it's so nice. And then here is the second one. I would recommend going up one size if you're getting a crop top. It's a little bit tight, which is probably how most people wear their clothing, but I like things to be a little bit bigger on me, so I definitely would go up a size. And these are both in a size extra large, which is what I usually wear, a large or an extra large. But if you want them a little bit bigger, not as tight, go up a size. How cute. I also have multiple layers underneath me, so that could 100% be it, but if you don't like it as tight, go up a size. T-shirt wise, extra large was the way to go. It is big on me, and that is how I prefer things. Let's stand up. Look how cute this is. So cute. Okay, and then the last one. This one's my favorite, I think. It's so simple, but it's so freaking cute, and I really like the color of this one. All of these shirts had multiple color options, but these were just like my favorite ones I picked. Like, this one also had a pink one, and it was real close between purple and pink. But yeah, that is all. Thank you so much, CherryKitten. I 1000% recommend them. These are so nice and such high quality, and they are a very good price for what they are. But yeah, totally recommend checking them out.